If you are having Nintendo Switch headphone issues, then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Nintendo Switch. Press and hold the power button for at least 3 seconds. Select Power Options. Select Restart. Once the system restarts, repair the headphones and check if the issue is fixed. Method 2. Reconnect the headphones. If you have previously connected a Bluetooth headphone to your Nintendo device, you can reconnect the saved device. Here is how to do it. Turn on the Bluetooth device you want to connect. Ensure that it is not connected to any other device. The Bluetooth device should automatically get connected to your Nintendo Switch when it is turned on and within the range of the Nintendo Switch. From the home menu of the Nintendo Switch, go to System Settings. Select Bluetooth Audio. Select Bluetooth devices name from the list of saved devices. Next, select the Connect Device option. Once connected, try to play some audio tracks and adjust the volume label as per your preference. If the device does not properly get connected, remove the saved Bluetooth device and then pair it again to a new device. Method 3. Check System Settings. When you are having audio issues on the Nintendo Switch, unplug the headphones for the time being and increase the volume from the volume up button present at the top or side of the Switch. Increase the volume as loud as you can. If the volume keys are muted, then you will not be able to hear anything. Ensure that the volume is not muted or too low. Verify that the headphone jack is not obstructed or damaged. If you use Bluetooth headphones, disconnect them and check if the issue persists. Method 4. Update your Nintendo Switch. Outdated software can cause audio glitches. Make sure your console is running the latest system update. Go to System Settings, select System Update to check for updates. Method 5. Inspect and clean the headphone jack. Due to dirt and debris in the headphone jack, you can have audio issues. So, you can clean any debris from the headphone jack using a soft lint-free cloth or a Q-tip. Method 6. Disable mute when headphones are disconnected. Go to System Settings. Select System, then Mute when headphones are disconnected. Turn off the setting to prevent the system speakers from being muted when headphones are disconnected. Method 7. Check for Bluetooth interference. Disconnect any paired Bluetooth audio devices to ensure they are not interfering with the headphones. Otherwise, you cannot pair the new Bluetooth audio device to your Nintendo Switch. To disconnect a controller, press the sync button on the controller for a second till it turns off. A pair of Joy-Cons are counted as 2 wireless controllers. Now turn on the Bluetooth headphones and set it to pairing or searchable mode. Follow the instructions provided on your specific Bluetooth device to pair it. The steps can vary from device to device. Now select the home menu on your Nintendo Switch and go to System Settings. Select Bluetooth Audio and select the Pair Device option. This will initiate a search for any available Bluetooth device within its range. Wait till it completes its search. If you already have 10 devices paired to your system, you need to remove at least one device to connect the Bluetooth headphone. Then it will search for any available Bluetooth device. Then select the Bluetooth headphone once found. When you get connected, check by playing any audio. Adjust the volume to your comfort level. Try a different headset. If the issue persists, try using a different headset to rule out any problems with the specific headset. Method 8. Check for game-specific issues. If the issue is specific to a particular game, try restarting the game or disabling and re-enabling voice chat options. The steps may vary as per game. And there you have it, the methods to fix the Nintendo Switch headphone issues. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.